makes community so unique here at Anahita Resort is the mixed atmosphere of both chic and relaxed. This gives the discerning international buyer a place to truly relax and get away from it all while still having 5-star amenities. Located on the East Coast, the Anahita Resort is landscaped with lush tropical gardens and surrounded by an 18-hole golf course designed by Ernie Els that has crystal clear lagoon views. The property itself is 2,200 square meters, which is approximately half an acre. The villa is also well set up to host dinner parties with plenty of seating in the open living areas. If you do decide to have an event, you can have it catered by the Anahita Resort, hire one of their chefs to cook in your house, or you can cook yourself. The property can be used by the new owner in many ways. It is fully equipped to be a full-time residence, vacation home, or it can be rented when not in use. The villa itself contains 4 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom that has both a resort-style shower and a soaking tub. Everywhere you look on the property, you'll see lush tropical landscaping that provides privacy where needed, but also allows for unobstructed views of the golf course and lagoon from your private rooftop terrace. You can take a quick 45-minute scenic car ride from the airport to the resort, or if you're in a hurry, you can take a helicopter shuttle directly to the Anahita Resort. At the Anahita Resort, you have plenty of activities to choose from. You can choose from one of 2 18-hole championship golf courses, relax at the spa, eat at one of the many restaurants, relax on a private beach, or drop the kids off at the Kid and Teens Club while you go do some water sports at the Water Sports Center. Concierge Auctions is very excited to offer this unique property and a chance for a buyer to own his own private piece of paradise with unsurpassed amenities on site.